many a times what happens is while doing Olympiads, you take this as a job. I have to solve this problem, I have to clear this, this is my goal and everything. But don't forget why you actually started to prepare Olympiad. And I was watching some videos on YouTube and all. I was like, this is people's dream to write INMO and all. And I was actually happy, like living their dreams. I would go to the last bench and just do EGMO. Yeah, that is what I did. Do EGMO in the, like, teachers are teaching, so I can't talk to my friends. And when they're not teaching, we would just play.
So how did you start? मतलब पहली चीज़ क्या उठाई? पहली book क्या उठाई? पहला resource क्या उठाया तुमने? Hi everyone. So today we have Mandar with us. ठीक है, this year INMO Body, and I'm telling you, introducing him as INMO Body, ये चीज़ ना यार बहुत एक underestimating statement है इसके लिए, because I have interacted with him and the kind of knowledge he has, the kind of interactions I had with him. मतलब you know I had to think twice for the things to speak before कि इसको reply कैसे करना है, इसमें सोचना पड़ेगा मेरे को भी. ठीक है, तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, विल गेट इन टू नो लाइक ये कैसे सोचता है, हाउ डिड ही स्टार्ट, इसकी पूरी जर्नी कैसी रही है, हाउ डिड ही डेवलप सच स्किल्स. ठीक है, एंड चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो मंदर, पहले तो तुम अपने मुंह से खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करो. ठीक है, हाउ डू यू सी?
Yeah, I am Mandar Kasulkar. I live in Indore right now, and I was 2025 INMO awardee, and yeah, that's about it. Nothing.
ओके, सो उससे भी अपना अंडरएस्टिमेटेड स्टेटमेंट्स पे ही रखा है अभी. चल, ओके, सो हाउ व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट दिस प्रिपरेशन अपनी?
Math Olympiad preparation, I got to know about IOQM in 8th grade, but I didn't really prepare for it.
कहाँ से पता लगा था तुम्हें IQM के? मतलब स्कूल से?
हाँ नहीं, I was scrolling YouTube shorts and I came across Abhay sir's YouTube short कि IOQM is this very high level exam which is very good and everybody should give. And I felt like Abhay sir is overselling the exam. It can't possibly be that hard.
Okay.
I just gave it without preparing, and yeah, I failed miserably the first time I gave
How
it.
much did you get if you are comfortable sharing the score?
The paper I got to 14 marks and then 7 marks bonus, so 21 marks total.
21 मार्क्स इन 8th क्लास. ये तो मैं तो बोलूँगा तुमने फोड़ा था वो एग्जाम, फेल मिजरेबली तो नहीं बोलेंगे उस 21 मार्क्स को, बट या यस अमेजिंग. तो हाँ, तो लाइक व्हेन यू गॉट 21 मार्क्स, तो उसमें तुम्हारा क्या था कि लाइक नहीं यार ये तो बहुत टफ है, मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा, या
नहीं,
फिर
I thought I had to clear it.
अब तो डेडिकेशन में आ गया था कि अब तो करना ही है एग्जाम? ठीक है, तो हाउ डिड यू गो विद इट? तुमने स्टार्ट कैसे किया ये?
हाँ, so for IOQM and RMO mostly, मतलब what I did was get theory. The theory is extremely available online. So IOQM and RMO is you can clear without any much help. It's not that hard. INMO you have to go to actually some books which are good. There are some books like EGMO by Vanchan and Rushal's book recently came out. Those are good books for INMO preparation, and those are essentially sufficient. The main part you have to focus is on problem solving.
द पॉइंट इज हाउ डिड यू गो, मतलब अगर तुम्हारा रोड मैप पे बात करें तो हाउ वाज योर जर्नी फ्रॉम 8th टिल अभी 11th में हो तुम, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग?
I just
तो 8th टू 11th तुम्हारी जर्नी कैसी दिखी थी ये पूरी ओलंपियाड्स की?
Yeah. So in 8th grade, after giving IOQM, I did not prepare anything for anything till I think 9th grade June or something, because 8th grade and 9th grade were only going on. 9th grade I again started IOQM preparation.
तो तुम्हारा मन कैसे बना, लाइक तुमने कहा इतना ब्रेक हो गया है उसके बाद तुम्हारे मन में था कि IQM क्लियर तो करना है इस साल?
Yes.
ठीक है, वो you were very clear with
I
that fact.
essentially remembered like the day I came after the giving IQM exam in 2023. I think in that year it was held a little late or something.
2023 नहीं, पहले होगा ना, 8th 9th की बात कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, 8th 9th में वो लेट हुआ था, मतलब RMO हुआ था, but IOQM was late, not the usual September time.
Okay,
It was a little late, I remember.
Okay.
So that day I just came and in my Google calendar I had put like a 2-month like next year's 2-month ago reminder कि I have to start preparing, and like it popped up and I was like, yeah, this was something that happened, I have to prepare for it. That is how I started
So
it.
were you equally motivated during that time as well कि अब तो करना है इस साल?
Yes, I like essentially my part was I wasn't really motivated towards the Olympiad. What I did was then I watched one of Chetan sir's video on IOQM's he was solving the first problem and he was like, this is free marks, and then I tried to solve the problem. I couldn't even like move the problem, and I was like, my mother is a math teacher.
Okay.
So I went to her and I showed her, this is such a hard problem and this teacher is saying it's free marks for this exam. This has to be something really good. So I started preparing for Olympiad.
So how did you start? मतलब पहली चीज़ क्या उठाई, पहली बुक क्या उठाई, पहला रिसोर्स क्या उठाया तुमने?
पहला resource, first thing I did was I don't really, I just did problems, because what happened was in this time I interacted with some other people who had previously done Olympiads. So they gave me a little resources like for number theory. I started with Mont and all.
Mont.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the point where I started, like basic modular arithmetic and all. You don't have to cover all of Mont even for INMO. Like there are topics in Mont in the second grade which are totally INMO
Right.
irrelevant. So just the first part, first 2-3 chapters I did, and after that there were books on. There was a book by T2 which was number theory concepts and problems. That is what I did. For geometry, there was this book by T2, XYZ lemmas in geometry. LGOI is the short form that it goes by. Combi, I didn't Combi, I just did problems. Like after PNC of 11th grade, that is counting, multiplication, addition. After that, I just did problems. That is essentially all. I'm mostly focused on books for the preparation in the first year.
Okay, so if I ask you कि what do you say a child should focus more on, कि मतलब तुम्हारी बातों और तो मुझे इसका आंसर लग रहा है, मुझे मिल गया है, बट स्टिल कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पे ज़्यादा फोकस रहना चाहिए या फिर गेटिंग डीप इनटू द कॉन्सेप्ट फर्स्ट एंड देन exploring things? What do you say?
So in the starting levels where it's IOQM and RMO, you somewhat need to know the concept better, because there the problems aren't really that hard. They are just time consuming for the most part, because there are like numbers and you have to actually multiply. So that is hard. So you just have to know the concept enough ki you can bypass those calculation using smart tricks, like I can like do this substitution or create this construction to make my calculation easier. So for IOQM and RMO there isn't much requirement of problem solving. INMO and IMOTC is a completely different game. You have to mostly just focus on problem solving. Theory there is essentially
Nothing
none.
much
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do in theories. Okay, so if I ask you just for a rough estimate, how many problems would you have solved जब नाइन्थ में तुम्हारे पास 2 महीने थे? क्योंकि कितने बच्चे हमारे पास आते हैं जैसे क्या सर, क्या मैं अब स्टार्ट करने की सोच रहा हूँ, क्या मैं क्लियर कर सकता हूँ या नहीं? तो अगर तुमसे पूछो, तुमने जब 9th जून में स्टार्ट किया प्रेप फॉर द कमिंग दिस IOQM, हाउ मच प्रॉब्लम्स वुड यू हैव सॉल्व्ड उसमें? रफ एस्टिमेट, तो ऑब्वियसली नंबर तो नहीं पता होगा, राइट?
I don't know. At the start, like that year's IQM was also regarded as extremely hard as well. So I don't know. I could have solved 2-3 problems maybe.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, पेपर में नहीं,
पेपर में नहीं.
पेपर से पहले ड्यूरिंग प्रेप.
हाँ, that is the point. पेपर के पहले during the prep, उस पेपर में जैसे सवाल रहता है, I could not have solved more than 2-3 problems. Like I just started my Olympiad preparation with like modulo क्या होता है and Euler totient function, multiplication कब करनी होती है combi में and all that. I started there, so I could not have solved like more than 1-2 problems.
इन द एग्जाम.
Yeah.
ओके, एंड उसके बाद ओके, तो हमारा उस साल क्लियर हुआ था फिर?
हाँ.
उस साल क्लियर हुआ
Yes,
था
yes,
हमारा,
yes,
राइट?
उस साल.
तो उस साल RMO हुआ, तो बिकॉज कोविड टाइम में था ना, एक बार RMO नहीं हुआ था.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, RMO हुआ था उस साल. That was the first year after COVID that RMO happened.
राइट. ओके, सो हाउ डिड दैट गो फॉर यू देन? फर्स्ट टाइम RMO लिख रहे थे तुम?
Yeah, RMO, I was from the northwest region that time, and like I shouldn't say this, but the grading in our region is extremely scuffed.
Okay.
So RMO is essentially IOQM but subjective. That is my
Subjective
view.
IOQM
Yeah,
it
that
is.
is
Huh.
that is my view on the topic. Like it's just hard 3 markers or hard 5 markers given in a subjective form, and removing the numbers obviously.
Right.
So essentially, if you are done with IOQM, what you should focus on is problems like proof writing.
प्रूफ राइटिंग,
Yeah.
सब्जेक्टिव अप्रोचेस
हाँ,
पे
yeah.
ज़्यादा फोकस कर लो.
Yes,
That
मतलब
is
जैसे
better.
वही, और जैसे इंडक्शन के बाय प्रूफ हो गया. IOQM में you just write like 5 numbers, it's working for 5 numbers, it should just work always.
Okay.
That is not what you can do in RMO. So you have
Right.
to approach like subjectively how to write the problems down is also very important, because the grader sometimes doesn't understand the problem and then doesn't give you the marks.
ओके, एंड हाउ डिड RMO दैट ईयर? क्लियर हुआ था हमारा?
Or okay, so this was like, as I said, in our region the grading was extremely scuffed. Even like there was an INMO awardee who got like 26 marks.
ओके,
That
उसमें
was-
तो बहुत कम मार्क्स मिले हैं सबको, राइट?
Why exactly? So I had 16 and then I re-evaled, I got 24 and the cutoff was 17, so I was saved by a hair, like.
क्वाइट अ मार्जिन.
हाँ.
ओके, सो हाउ वाज इट फीलिंग? मतलब पिछले साल हमने IOQM का पहला स्टेज भी नहीं हुआ था, एंड वी वर लाइक हमें फ्री स्कोर्स भी हमें टफ लग रहा था, कि जो कहता फ्री मार्क्स हैं ये, इसे लेके यू डायरेक्टली क्लियर्ड RMO नेक्स्ट ईयर. मतलब सी, तो द प्रिपरेशन, दिस इज द वंडर्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कंसिस्टेंसी कैन डू. बट हाँ, हाउ डिड यू फेल्ट आफ्टर आफ्टर क्लियरिंग RMO इन 9th? मतलब क्योंकि 9th इज अ क्वाइट यंग एज to do all this. So how was the feeling that time?
Like it was extremely good. I didn't really recall much from last year. I was over that by that time, but I was extremely happy that I qualified RMO and actually get to write INMO. And I was watching some videos on YouTube and all. I was like, this is people's dream to write INMO and all. And I was actually happy, like living their dreams.
And okay, so how was INMO now? Because first time INMO लिख रहे हो, 9th is a quite young age to to go with it. So how did it go? उसका prep कैसे किया तुमने वो उस छोटे से time में?
Huh. So what happened was I don't remember when RMO was, but like my school exams were going during RMO. So I completed my school exams like 1 week later they ended, and essentially like 2 days after RMO I had started the INMO prep
Okay.
because I was quite confident that I
So
would
what
qualify.
resources did you pick that time?
For number theory there is Mont. Geometry I completely ignored. In ninth grade I did not do any geometry at all. Like to this date I don't have any official geometry solves in any Olympiad.
Okay.
Yeah, other than like TST one solve.
Right.
So yeah, geometry I did not do at all. For combinatorics, there is this book Pranav Shriram. I tried that. It's extremely hard. I left it.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I completed like
I still
one.
remember guiding you कि अभी भी वही book solve करनी
हाँ
है तुम्हें.
हाँ वो अब हो गई है
अब हो गई.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's good.
Then there is 102 Problems in Combinatorics by Tito and Rescue. That is for combinatorics. That is essentially enough for combinatorics. Then what you do after you're done with like Mont and this, what you do, oh, and then algebra, there was, BJ Venkatachala's book on
Functional equations.
inequalities. I didn't do
Inequalities,
Yeah,
okay.
inequalities. That you do, and then after that, what you do is you just do problem solving. So I went to AOPS and just picked a contest, like a country, and then just did its national Olympiad. That is what I did.
And how did that INMO go?
Inmo was a rather sad story. So that year's Inmo was regarded as like on the much easier side. I had solved 3 problems that time. Yeah, 2, 3, 4.
So that is 51 marks.
51 marks. I got 17, 17, 17, and then the cutoff was 52.
Missed by one,
Yeah,
exactly
yeah,
one. मतलब
yeah,
कुछ
exactly.
question में कुछ एक दो partial भी मिल जाता तो you would have cleared in ninth
Yeah,
class
exactly.
straight.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes, तो मुझे ये था कि बुरा लगा होगा but still you had high confidence कि ninth में अगर इतना फोड़ रहा हूँ मैं फिर अब आगे तो फोड़ूंगा. 10th में तो होगा कि इनमो करना ही है अब हमने, right?
हाँ, that was my essential.
और हमने किया भी है.
हाँ, yes.
तो हाँ मतलब अब मुझे ना ये चीज़ जाननी है तो अब अगला स्टेप आता है कि यू स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट टाइम यू हैड अ लॉट टू स्टडी इवन ना कि ये टॉपिक्स पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है बट द पॉइंट इज अब तो नाइन्थ में यू डेड ऑल दिस एंड एग्जाम्स भी क्लियर हो रहे हैं तुम्हारा बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग हो चुका है तो हाउ डिड यू मेंटेन इट नाउ मतलब 10th से लेके ऐसे 9th से लेके 10th तक की जर्नी में ठीक है पूरा हमने IOQM देना था RMO देना था पूरी जर्नी पे जाना था तो हाउ डिड यू मेंटेन योर लेवल मतलब मेंटेन किया इंक्रीज हुआ लेवल हाउ डिड इट गो फॉर यू
Yeah, so after writing 2024 INMO, I came out of the question like exam center and I was discussing the paper with my friends and they were like problem 1 was trivial and problem was for geometry and as I mentioned I had not done any geometry so I realized I actually have to work on geometry first because I can't go writing another national Olympiad without knowing like 1/4 of its syllabus. Then but like first what I did was clear actually 9th grade exam. That was
That was more important,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was hard actually. I don't know. I didn't actually attend school in like later parts of 9th for INMO. So I first did that.
Your school was supportive with that decision.
Yeah, my school was extremely supportive with
So
all
that's
that.
good, huh?
Yeah, yeah. So then I completed my school exams and all. After completing my school exams, for geometry, I was talking to a friend of mine who was good in geometry. He told me a website. There is this website called gogeometry.com. What it has is like a bunch of just diagrams and you prove stuff from the diagrams.
Okay.
So initially like 30, the first 30 things are like you have a triangle, you have random CVNs drawn and you have random angles given and you have to calculate other random angles.
So what was this site?
gogeometry.com.
gogeometry.com. बच्चों नोट कर लो काम की चीज़ है.
Yeah. So यहाँ से मैंने मतलब I did like first 400-ish problems from here.
Okay.
Yeah. That is what I did. After
And how much time you took to do those 400 problems? Approximate time.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So मतलब you were solving 4 weeks. So per week 100 problems.
Approximately.
And we are going with every day. हर रोज ही solve करते थे बैठ
हाँ,
के.
yes, yes. I was jobless, so like nothing to do.
Okay. So we are talking about around 14 to 15 problems per day.
Yeah, roughly.
That's nice.
Yeah, the problems are easy. Like they're RMO INMO level, roughly, not hard.
Okay.
So that is, I just did those problems. Like in the like towards the middle, it just becomes very repetitive. Like there is this one problem given, and the next problem is the direct application of the first problem, and there are like 7, 8 problems which it directly.
तो वो
go like that.
रटवा ही देते हैं पूरा कि कैसे क्या वर्क
हाँ,
करना है. वो
exactly,
बहुत
and
ध्यान
that is
रहता है.
actually helpful because geometry is uh, somewhat related to remembering configs. You have to remember some certain configurations कि मतलब ये मैंने देखा हुआ है ऐसा. I see the similar figure here. I can
Right.
apply that. So that actually helped a lot. And I remember like the RMO problem that year, like it was extremely similar to one of the problems I had solved. Yeah, that was it. And after that, after completing the 4 things, I actually picked up EGMO by Evanchan.
Then you start, okay, then you went to the EGMO.
Yeah, after those I went to EGMO because I was talking to a friend of mine and he was like, these problems are sufficient, you should like just go to actual Olympiad problems now. So I went to EGMO by Evanchan and then I completed that book. I just completed that.
And how much time, मतलब, and so how did your schedule look? क्योंकि committing to a book in your tenth, जब सब आधे बच्चों को होता है कि boards करने हैं हमें, तो how did your schedule look during that time for completing this book?
Yeah, so I completed this book before my, like, okay, wait. So, ninth grade exams end in March or something.
Right.
Then 10th starts in April because there is stuff, I don't know. They do stuff. So, in 10th, I was extremely relaxed. I knew I can, like, do boards somehow, somewhere.
वो से confidence था, वो तो ऐसे tension की बात ही
हाँ
नहीं है.
somewhere or the other हो जाएगा वो उसकी चिंता नहीं है. So April I just did all this, like March as well my 9th grade exams are going on. I was simultaneously doing those problems which I mentioned before. April I picked it up and I would take so EGMO. What I did was I just got the book EGMO. I would go to school. I would go to the last bench and just do EGMO. Yeah, that is what I did. Do EGMO in the like subjects where teachers are teaching, so I can't talk to my friends. And when they're not teaching, we would just play at the last bench. That is
So
essentially.
they do book and play, do book and play.
That is
that's how
exactly
you
what I
look
did. Yeah,
school
yeah.
life.
Yeah, that
during
was
that time.
Yeah, exactly. That was entire. Then I came home. After coming home, I would usually watch anime.
Okay.
Yeah, I would
Relaxation भी तो चाहिए इस चीज़ों
हाँ
से.
मतलब I didn't really take it as anime, but I was relaxation, but I was like anime देखना है, this is interesting. So I would watch like 1-2 episodes of anime and then I would again do the book and go to play a little down and come.
मतलब balance maintain किया. It was not like it was only study, only study, only study नहीं रखा हमने.
नहीं, sometime in the middle it was only study, only study, only study. Starting में नहीं था.
Starting में नहीं था. Okay, तो हम ये कितने टाइम पहले की बात कर रहे हैं? Only study वाला phase कब आ गया था?
It was this year's INMO के मतलब after the, I would say after RMO, November I went to school, so December से I was.
December से it was only study, only study. Amazing. तो 10th में, अच्छा 10th की अब जर्नी फटाफट से कि IOKM में क्या रहा था, RMO में क्या रहा था, INMO में क्या रहा था मेरे scores.
हाँ, so IOKM was a disaster. I had 33 out of 100 and the cutoff was 32, so I barely managed to pass that.
So that was a wake up call or it
नहीं,
was
not
like
a
just
wake up call. It was what happened was कि मतलब the exam center was not good. We were given those like क्या the play group में जो बच्चों को chairs मिलती है. We had those chairs. I couldn't sit on it and my papers were keep failing. I messed up the OMR. So that was okay. It.
So you बस clear हो गया तो मुझे पता है
हाँ,
संभाल लूँगा अब आगे.
yes, yes. Then I wrote RMO. I had 68 in RMO.
Amazing.
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत 68 is एक ऐसा एग्जाम कट ऑफ क्या थी इस साल की हमारी?
44.
44.
44 in our region. Yes.
या सो ठीक है, इस बार में थोड़ा इजी भी था
हाँ,
वैसे
बहुत
ना.
आसान
हाँ
था. It was very easy.
बट नहीं यार 50 प्लस इज नीड ए गुड स्कोर इसमें तो
Yeah.
आरएमओ में. So 68.
68. Yes.
Okay.
I solved like the first 2 problems, the last 2 problems.
4 problems we solved
4 problems. Yes.
out of 6. Amazing. And इनमो का स्कोर क्या रहा था हमारा?
In Mo, I had 36 marks.
36 मार्क्स. एंड हमारी
36
कट ऑफ क्या थी इस बारी?
31.
31. चलो दैट्स अमेजिंग. तो इस पूरी जर्नी में इफ आई आस्क यू हाउ डिड यू कम, वेदांतु कहाँ पे फिट इन हुआ तुम्हारा, स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ ये?
हाँ, so like I was introduced to Vedantu as I said in like 8th grade की मतलब I saw that Abhay sir's shot.
अब ऐसे चेतन सर वीडियोस. यस.
Yes, and then one major problem I realized, I also went to an offline coaching, but what the major problem was, no one had good quality mocks. Like any mocks that I gave were either just like given out of, they weren't really understanding, like random, like IMOSL N5s, who's doing that for INMO? No, like they don't really understand what INMO mocks we should give. So I saw Vedantu mocks and they actually looked relevant. So towards like RMO, INMO, I came in for mocks. That was when I joined Vedantu, majorly for mocks and the camp I attended some classes. After I cleared INMO, I majorly got into this all classes.
मतलब तब इतना पसंद आ गया था कि हाँ कि दीज गाइस नो हाउ टू वर्क. चलो अमेजिंग. सो यस, अगर मैं अपना बताऊँ, मेरी इंटरेक्शन इससे लाइक लेवल 10 बैच में हुई थी. सो लेवल 10 बैच हमारा होता है वो ऐसे इनमो अवॉर्डीज का ही होता है. तो माई फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन विद हिम हमारी वहीं पे स्टार्ट हुई थी बात होनी. राइट. ऑल राइट. सो ठीक है, तो उससे पहले ठीक है ना, अब उस पर आ जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ इनमो क्लियर हुआ, द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इनमो क्लियर हुआ है, तो एक फीलिंग ऑफ हाई तो बहुत आया होगा तुम्हें. राइट की मतलब हाँ कि so how did you take it forward now कि that कि अब because now the leagues were changing, now you are in the top 60 of India and now you are going to go for to compete with the seniors, to compete for the team. Yeah. So how did that phase go?
So matlab, the day I got my results, I was hanging out with two of my friends. I was out and the results came and I was extremely happy. They were extremely happy. We were
तो
jumping around
ट्रीट्स
as well.
वगैरह चलो
वो हुआ सब. Then we came back, but like I was in contact with some other Inmo wordies, and what I had realized by the time that the people who will come there are much better than this. So from the next day, what I started was what I realized after Enmo that I was essentially okay in all subjects, but I have to work on them. So I started to solve IMO shortlist problems, and I was just solving IMO shortlist problems for 2 months. That
एंड
was
हाउ आर
what I
द
did.
क्लासेस
Classes were actually very good. Rajat sir took classes on graph
मैं ही हूँ
theory.
रजित
Yeah, he is Rajat sir. He took classes on graph theory, and the graph theory classes were actually very good. Like all the graph theory we were covered in, like the classes in IMOTC were also actually covered, and not only that, like some part. Ahead of that, like edge coloring and all that, which was actually not covered in IChem, was not IChem, like IMOTC were actually covered in the camp as well. So graph theory was essentially sorted. We didn't have much problems with that. And then other teachers like Arindam sir also taught us very well on geometry and all, homography.
Okay, now if I tell you, अब एक brief में ना थोड़ा IMOTC experience कैसा है? You know, the very first time you went, you met with the greatest minds जो इंडिया में available हैं तुम्हारे लिए. तो how was the experience there? मतलब कुछ ऐसे fun stories वहाँ पे क्या? क्योंकि मुझे बताया गया. पढ़ा तो तुमने कम ही है, मस्ती मार के आए हो या फिर अपना काम कर रहे थे तुम पूरा टाइम? तो how was it, the entire thing?
Matlab, I don't think other than like, okay, no one studied there. Like IMOTC, no one studies. We went to the computer lab and then this person there was standing. He came in and he was like, "This is a math camp. We don't do math here. This is the first rule of this math camp." So it was extremely chill. The seniors were extremely good. The first day and all day, like we were just playing and all. What we did was like after our dinner, we would have our dinner at 8:15 ish. After our dinner, we would go and study in the library. Before that, we were just playing. So our classes would start at 9, end at 5, and then after that, we were playing till dinner and a little past dinner. Then we would study. But towards the end, it was extremely fun. We watched movies in the lecture hall, like ordered food 1 in the night, and that delivery guy actually looked pissed. कि क्या कर रहे हो तुम 1 बजे खाना बुला रहे, like let me sleep, everything like that. It was totally fun. In this, like one of the main highlights was like Lamau Revenge. It's a thing that happens in IMOTC. Lamau is a paper that the seniors make for the juniors, and Lamau Revenge is a paper that the juniors make for the seniors. This year I was one of the juniors, so we organized Lamau Revenge and everything. That was extremely fun. We had to make our own problems and give it to the seniors. They solved it. That was a
So I
very, very
remember
nice.
Anish telling कि तुमने 3 problems बनाए थे 6 में से, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong.
Yeah, I made 3 problems. One was also made by Anik.
Anik
Anik made
Chandra,
one of the
yes.
problems. Yeah.
Amazing. And how did the paper, seniors took that paper? तो कैसा लगा उन्हें वो paper? Like तुमने attempt
Yeah.
किया.
So like last year apparently this Lamau Revenge was a disaster. Like the problems were very bad. But this year the senior came and the problems were actually, they said the seniors said actually the problems were nice.
So were they able to do your problems जो दिए थे
Huh?
तुमने?
Yeah, like I think okay, like the IMO medalists obviously they solved all my problems, but yeah, essentially my problems were not that hard.
Okay.
Yeah, they were doable size like INMO P56.
So did any senior help you in making? मैंने सुना है लमाओ रिवेंज में कई बार seniors भी आके help करते हैं.
हाँ, no, this year we had no helpful seniors. We had to do it ourselves.
So would you be doing it next year now?
No, I'll make Lama problems. I won't
Now
do
you'll make Lamau
Yeah,
problems.
I'll make Lama
क्या अब juniors की बात लगाने की बारी है हमारी.
Yes, yes, yes.
चलो अमेजिंग. So now okay, any last minute advice? मतलब ये जैसे मुझे तुम्हारी जर्नी से समझ आया. You did so many things. तुमने failure भी देखा. But you were quite chill, you were quite confident about yourself and you went for it. तुमने एग्जाम्स क्लियर किए, ठीक है. तुमने एज पे भी चीज़ें छूटी गई, ऐसा लगता है लोग यार इतनी पास आके भी छूट गया. You picked it up again, you did it again, you nailed it. So any advice from your side to the जो भी लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं जब उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, सिमिलर सिचुएशंस में रहे हैं?
So this is like one of my seniors helped me with this a lot. Like many times what would happen was I could not solve a particular problem and everything. I would get extremely sad कि मतलब I can't do anything in life. Like क्या चल रहा है? I can't solve a simple
So
problem.
you also went through that
Yeah,
phase.
yeah, obviously. Everyone goes through that phase. So I still go through it a lot. Yeah, I can't solve a problem and everything. And there were like some days, 2-3 days, I just tried problems and couldn't solve them. So I was quite sad. And so one of my seniors told me, don't forget why you started Olympiads. Many a times what happens is while doing Olympiads, you take this as a job. I have to solve this problem, I have to clear this is my goal and everything. But don't forget why you actually started to prepare Olympiads. It was
Which is?
nothing but the love for math.
love for mathematics.
Yeah,
So
that is why
the
you
thing
started.
which is taking you all the way
Yeah,
ahead.
that is what you should remember. Why you started math. It's not something ki I have to clear this exam and everything. You started it because you enjoyed it. That is what you should remember.
Amazing, amazing.
Don't forget that.
So this was Mandar for you guys. तुमने जाना कि how did he go through all the things, and I hope this will motivate all the kids जो किसी भी स्टेज में जिनसे जो स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं या फिर उनको एक डेडिकेशन है या फिर एक एज से जाके मिस भी करे हैं तो how does it go? What all does it take? Right, starting from 8th, he cleared it in 10th, and now he's in +1, and I'm pretty sure he's going to nail, and soon we'll see him in the IMO team as well someday. All right, guys. So that is it for today.